YouTube, we're going to just do a quick rundown of this new Living Proof by War on Drugs. Alright, I'm not going to spend it. I'll just show you like the different sections, and you're going to have to figure out exactly the number of times to play them. But I'll show you how to play the song. So the song begins in A. It's kind of it begins being finger picked. So that is basically A string, and then you pick your B string, which you're holding down because you're playing an A chord. It seems like the picking becomes less and less, and just kind of goes to like. Just hitting the root note of the chord, and then just kind of strumming just those 4 strings, but kind of just strumming them. It plays that A chord till the keyboards come in, and then it plays the chord changes A, F sharp minor to E. Plays that twice. Sounds like a Howard Jones song to me, but you know, he doesn't own that chord progression. So it's A, F minor, E, and it goes D, C minor, C sharp minor, D. Does this is the second time. Does it 3 times. Then it climbs down to E on the 3rd time. It was B minor to E. That's how it gets out of it. If you want to simplify that, you know, because we're doing this kind of just playing on the 4, 3, and 2 strings, you could go for the D. You could just take your A shape, play it with 1 finger, and play it at the 7. And then what you want to do is that on the 5th, play like an A minor shape for that would be your C sharp minor. This would be a simplified way to play. For your B minor, you're going to move that A minor down to the 3rd fret. Okay, that's if you don't play bar chords or you want to just simplify it for whatever reason. So after we get to that E, that's when the vocals come in. When the vocals come in, there's an 8 chord progression. It's like basically 2 sets of 4. He's like banging on the drum. That's A. It's E. F sharp minor. Maybe I'm the living proof. C sharp minor. Then he goes to D. I've been running. Hangs on the A from. Then it goes resets on the D, and it goes through the progression again. Okay, so then that long sequence repeats. He's like, I've been gone so long. A. Maybe I can't go back. Building up my block, something like that. C sharp minor, A, D, A, Then to this cool section of the song where he's on the D, right? Goes to C sharp minor, and then it goes back to D. Okay, and this happens maybe like 12 times, I don't know, 16 times. But I think the real, besides the lyrics, you're getting the melody reinforced. Beautiful melody. Okay, so that that repeats, like I said, maybe 12 or 16 times. D to C sharp minor. All right, to get out of that section, we go C sharp minor. I'm always changing, love overflowing. Just like earlier, it goes B minor to E. Now we come to the new section, which is like the chorus. And the chorus is a D, A, and I'm damaged. And I'm rising. Right, that is the chorus. D, A, E. It happens like 4 or 6 times. Quick. There's nothing new in the song. It's all repeats of earlier sections. Goes back to the A, F minor, E, which we opened the song with. And then it ends with the D, A, E, which is part of the chorus. And I think it ends on the final D or an A, you know. So D, E. That's the end of the song. There is a guitar solo played at the end. It's being played, I think, in F sharp minor, but at the 10th fret with an A string root. They're not just playing the pentatonic; they're playing the full minor. Goes. It starts like 2 times. It either bends or slides into this high E on the 9th fret. Yeah, that's it. That's the first lick. So that's on the B. We go 9, 10, 12 on the high E, and then back to 9, 10. Something, okay, cool little riffs. They put a cool effect on it. It's like some kind of reverse effect. They have some kind of pedals now that will play your guitar in reverse. So something like that kind of effect is being used later at the second half of the solo. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that and have fun playing it. And thanks to War on Drugs for putting out this new music. And take care. Bye.